If you searched how to buy shares of Yu Group Plc, this quick guide will walk you through the practical steps. Yu Group Plc is listed on the London Stock Exchange, LSE PLC, under the ticker YUL, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy stocks, you need a regulated broker, and we will use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker YUL to locate Yu Group Plc. Make sure to select the result listed on the LSE to ensure it is the correct stock. On the asset page, you can read a short company description and view the price chart to understand recent movements. Confirm the exchange shows LSE and the ticker YU.L so you know you have the right listing. To place a buy order, click Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you wish to invest, review the order details, and then confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a market order when trading reopens, and if your account lacks sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the transaction. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it and set alerts. If you want to follow this example, the link to eToro is in the video description.